Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Twibbon in Canva. I don't know how to say it, so I think that's just all I'm gonna say. So the theme for mine is retro, so I'm just going to do that. I'm going to select this as my background, I think. Then I'm going to type in frame, and I'm going to add in a circle frame here in the middle, kind of like so. And then here I'm going to type in retro again, but I'm going to go to graphics instead, and I'm just going to select this and select see more like this, so I can add in like similar stickers on it, like this one for instance, and then maybe like the skateboard one just for fun. Oops. And just like layer it on top of the frame. Here I'm going to add it like up here, for instance, maybe. And what else do I want to add? Maybe this gaming console, I don't know. I don't really like it there. What about this piece one? I think I might just add it like here. Just keep adding stickers until you are pleased with the, I think I'm just gonna add this one instead of the one sticker here. And then I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to add a text box, and I'm just going to type in class of 1982. I don't know. I'm also going to go to the fonts here, and I'm going to find a retro font here. I'm going to select like a color for that. Go to effects and type in outline. And then I'm just going to copy and paste the text here. I can just do that. Why can't I do that? Oh, okay, never mind. Go back to effects and then make the outline a little bit bigger. And I'm going to color it white. I'm going to add this on top. I'm just going to go to layers here. There we go. So that there's going to be like a sticker here. I do want to make it wavy. I don't know if I can. Okay, I can do that. So just curve it here and kind of adjust it with the frame. Like so. Then you're just going to add your picture here. I'm just going to type in retro girl. I don't know. Maybe like this one. I don't know. It should be like more of a profile picture like that. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.